Good morning viewers, how are you? Definitely all of you are fit and fine and healthy, and thank you to subscribe my YouTube channel Mathematics with Prashanjan, and thank you again and again to see my videos and wait for my videos also. I am Prashanjan, and in this video I am with the problem of the straight line, and this chapter is in the CBSE 11th standard, also this chapter in the ICSE board in class 10th. And the problem is very common to all the among 11th class student, and this is very important problem, as I have seen in my past career that some of the students got puzzled in this question and doing some steps which are not favorable to the question. And the question is, if P is the length of perpendicular, this is the diagram which we will already drawn to all of you, but you have to draw this diagram while you are solving the question. If P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line, this is the axis, x-axis and y-axis, and this is the point where these lines meet each other, and this is the point O. O is the origin, and this is the length P, distance perpendicular from the origin to the line segment L, and whose intercepts on the axis. Intercept means distance from the origin to the line where the line cuts the axis. Intercepts on the axis are A and B. This is the distance from point O to this point, and this is the distance B from this point to this point, and these are the intercept to each other. So just we have to prove that the distance, perpendicular distance from the origin to the line is 1 upon P square is equal to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Now what we have to do in this question, first of all, just let out the equation L, and already we studied about the equation L. Intercept form is nothing, it is just x upon x intercept, and x intercept is what? That is A, plus y upon y intercept, and the y intercept is B, equals to 1. This is the equation of the line L, equation of line L. Now also we know that the distance between the point and line, and the distance formula is D is equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon me under root a square plus b square. This is the formula to find the shortest distance between any point to any line, and in this case the point is origin, so the point O is, so the point P is 0 0, and if we find out the value of a, b, c, x1, y1, z1, so we will see that the a is the coefficient of x, and the coefficient of x is 1 upon a, b is the coefficient of y, and that is 1 upon b, and c is the constant term. So just we have to shift 1 from right to the left, it will comes out to be the minus 1. With the x1 and y1, x1 is the point, that is 0 origin, and the y1 is also 0. Now just place all the value in this formula, and D is also P, which is given to us. D is P. Now I'm just putting the values in the formula. D is equals to P is equal to modulus A is 1 upon A, x1 is 0, B is 1 upon B, y1 is 0, and the constant term is minus 1, and A is 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. I think some of you are thinking about that why we don't take the LCM here, just we are using the coefficient, because it is very easy to solve the question. If we are taking the LCM, there is no problem, some 1 or 2 steps are more, but you can solve the equation by taking the LCM also. But my preferable suggestion is that don't take the LCM, just use the coefficient of x as it is, which is you have given in the equation. Now P is equals to 1 upon A into 0 is 0, 1 upon B into 0 is 0, and this is minus 1 upon me under root 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Again all of you are thinking about that why we don't take the LCM here. I think no need to take the LCM, because we required that 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square in the right hand side of our proof. So just I don't need to take the LCM here. So after solving, 0 plus 0 minus 1 is minus 1 upon under root 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Just on squaring both sides, if we are doing the squaring, this is P square, and negative 1 in the modulus, so it will be just disappear, and result is 1 only, and the 1 square is 1, and again the square root will disappear here. This is 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square, and our left hand side is 1 upon p square. If the left hand side is 1 upon p square, so just on reciprocal, if we are doing the reciprocal of the above equation, so this is 1 upon p square is equals to, this will be disappear and this will be in the numerator part, 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square, and that's all. And all of you see that this is the very simple solution of the question which is given to us to prove that. And mostly I'm seeing that in my past career that this question may be asked in 4 marks or 6 marks. So please, class 11 students of CBSE and class 10th student of ICSE board, please do this question and see my suggestions and like my videos and subscribe this video, and share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much.